Meaning of interest group.
Interest group.
Interest group.
Interest group.
Interest group. An interest group, also known as a lobby or advocacy group, is an organization that seeks to influence public policy and decision-making processes on behalf of its members. Interest groups represent a particular section of society based on shared interests, values, and goals, such as corporations, labor unions, environmental groups, or civil rights organizations. They use various tactics like lobbying, political campaign contributions, and public relations efforts to influence lawmakers, government officials, and the public in order to advance their agendas and protect their interests.